Hi, friend. Welcome to Healing with Michael. Today, we're going to focus on hearing inner guidance. And we're going to do this by taking a little solo journey and by practicing mirroring communication using affirmations. This community, I really appreciate your subscribing and joining our growing community of learners. So with that said, let's keep it moving. So one of the key techniques that I teach people to do is to take a solo or a solo journey. Now, what do I mean by that? What you're doing is going somewhere new and different by yourself to really reconnect to who you are, to your own authenticity, and to your own guidance and inner power. With a solo journey, it's really about the intention, the focus that you have on going somewhere by yourself, as if you're leaving everything behind. And that's one of the main things that turns a trip into a solo, is this visualization that you could break away from all your patterns, and you could visualize as if you're like the hero in a journey entering your own movie. Like really visualizing leaving and then actually leaving, of letting the environment be a presence for you, of going somewhere to kind of take care of some personal emotional business, or to be surrounded by nature, or to feel the newness and the freshness of a new environment. Through the beginning, middle, and end process of taking this little solo with me, that you might sense a calmness, a knowing, a feeling of gratitude, groundedness, and an understanding that will help guide you through things that you need to move through in your life and work. So let's practice. I know that I can visualize leaving everything behind. I know that I'm allowed to take a solo journey. It's possible for me to see the road as medicine. I can notice the doorway into a natural environment. I can enter this doorway. I can feel my breathing go deeper. I can feel welcome. I can feel heard. When I'm here, my mind is clear and my body is soft. When I'm here, I can listen. I know when it's time to return home. Coming home, I will listen within. Coming home, I will hear what I have learned. Coming home, I will write down what I know. So here's a little passage from my book, The Zen of Solo Travel, A Journey from Anxiety to Enlightenment. This book came out in 2014, and it's about a solo journey that I took to Japan to really work through whether I was ready to be a father or not. And it's also a book of spiritual principles about the solo journey that we all have to take emotionally in our lives. Here's a small piece from it. Motion transforms us. It awakens us. It brings us into union with the momentum of the universe. When we are a match to the flow of this river, we feel alive. When we walk or drive or ride or fly, we mirror the natural force that is keeping us moving. Motion is healing. Motion is presence. Motion is breath. Motion is rebirth. Thanks for listening, and please take a look at some of the next steps in front of you in terms of working with me, keeping connected, and getting the book. Thanks a lot. So thanks so much for watching Healing with Michael. I appreciate you subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. And we'll be back with more mind-body healing 10-minute segments to help uplift your life from the inside out. Thanks so much, and remember to keep it moving. Have a blessed day.